Okay, guys, some information on a cruise control throttle lock for your Yamaha Tenere 700. This is a 2021. I've gone through all the debates on how to do this, but I first thought, okay, Atlas, in my opinion, too much money. So I bought the Atlas clone from Walmart. I'll put a link down below to all this stuff, but when I got it, it required me to cut the grips, and people say the Atlases kind of that Atlas style starts to slip after a while. It goes in this position up here and causes friction. Then I said, okay, I'll try this version, the bar end version. And I wasn't going to spend, I think, how do you say it, Kyoko or something like that? I wasn't going to spend another 135 or 150 bucks on that. I returned the Walmart one for 50 something bucks. It was an Atlas clone. I don't know if Atlas would work better, so you'd have to check that out yourself. But I thought I'd try this because it seemed pretty unintrusive, and I like the idea of this design. So I just got it. It was 30 bucks from eBay. It's a Chinese knockoff of the Kyoko. So 30 bucks is something I could deal with for this type of a thing. So I was just going to install it. The toughest part is getting out your old bar end if yours is frozen. Some come out easy, some come out hard. Mine was on there super tight. I made a video on how to get that off. I'll put a link down below here. Anyway, this thing seems pretty nicely made. It fits in well, and basically you just screw it in tight. You tighten it with an Allen wrench, and then you put your your guard thing back on. And then this thing is just designed to tighten into your grip. This spins into, oh, I'm spinning it off here. This thing moves independent. Oops, I got it locked on there right now. Anyway, this thing is designed to screw into your grip and create tension so that it holds it in place. It actually looks like it works pretty well. I'll give you an update on how it works later, but just showing you this thing. I think this might be the way to go cost effective wise. $30 to your door on eBay. I'll put a link. It seems made pretty darn well out of aluminum and plastic, and it seems to fit the Tenere perfect, and this is going to go right back on. Okay, I hope that helps you guys. Talk to you later. Appreciate any likes and subscribes.